Feels like it's burning.
No, really?
Yeah. Oh!
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super fun video and I have a very special guest to do it with me. Her name is...
Jeanette! Hi!
So me and Jeanette have been friends for like how many years now?
I don't know, 100?
Yeah, just about. Anyways, today we thought of this awesome idea to do a full face of makeup on Jeanette using only baking ingredients. So usually like Jeanette and I will hang out at the mall and she'll go to a makeup store like Morphe or Sephora and they'll always end up doing a full face of makeup, and I'll insert a few pictures right here. I've never done makeup before on anybody, so we decided...
Perfect start.
Yeah, for sure. So we'll be using a variety of baking utensils and ingredients to do a full face of makeup on her. Are you nervous?
No, not at all, actually.
No? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna need to sign a waiver before we begin, just in case anything happens to your flawless skin.
Okay.
So we have some pastry brushes and baking brushes used for a variety of baking purposes. Do you want to see yourself during this process or no?
Nope.
You just want to be surprised at the end?
Yep.
Okay, let's do this. So to begin, we're first going to start with her eyes. So, like I said, I've never done makeup before, and so I watched a bunch of makeup tutorials on YouTube, especially from this one girl named Michelle Phan, who's like the OG makeup beauty guru on YouTube. I love you, Michelle, if you're watching. And so she always starts with her eyes, and so today we're gonna start by doing some eyeliner on your eyes. That looks good. All right, so your eyeliner is done and it's looking beautiful.
Great.
So Michelle typically has the second step as doing your eyeshadow. Today we're gonna be using luster dust, which is essentially used to decorate cookies or cupcakes or cakes. Essentially, you mix this luster dust with a little bit of alcohol or clear vanilla or something, and it makes a nice little paste that you can just brush on. So we're gonna be using gold, as that's the only color that I had in my arsenal today. Alright, so into a bowl, I went ahead and added some luster dust and added a little bit of my clear imitation vanilla extract. And now we're going to apply the eyeshadow to Jeanette's eyelid. By the way, this smells really good.
Oh gosh.
You ready for this? Ooh. You know what? I think we should create our very own makeup brand. Because this shade looks really pretty. Oh, I think we created magic. How does it feel?
Feels like it's burning.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh! No!
Oh!
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, go wash it off.
I'm dying!
Are you okay?
Yeah. Even my eye was like tearing up. I was like, where did this come from? Okay, I won't go blind during this video, I promise. I should have signed the waiver, you're right.
So we're done with your eyeshadow.
Okay. Had some issues, technical difficulties.
Guys, we haven't even done we're only on step 2 and it's already a mess. So typically Michelle Phan said it's really important to moisturize your face. So we're gonna be applying some moisturizer to Jeanette's face before we apply foundation and all that other jazz. So we have some powdered sugar and water, and I'm just gonna make a really thick sort of lotiony type of paste. And I hope this doesn't burn. Alright, so essentially I went ahead and combined some water and powdered sugar and just continued to mix and add more powdered sugar until the thickness was my desired consistency. So now we're going to be using a baking brush. Let's use this big one.
Okay.
This big powder brush. So I'm gonna use this to sort of moisturize your face. Let me know how it feels. You gotta let this sort of seep into your skin to, moisturize it. It actually is giving you a beautiful glow.
Oh.
I'm trying to use beauty vocabulary. It's not working out. Now your skin sort of looks beautiful, glowy, nice and bright. So now we can go ahead and add foundation. You can open your eyes. Does it feel refreshing?
Yes.
You see? telling you, we need to make our own makeup line.
Okay.
Alright, so to make foundation, we're going to be combining 1 drop of red to 10 drops of yellow. And apparently it makes a beautiful tan color.
Okay.
We're going to try that, and we're going to add more food coloring as we go on to match your skin tone to the best of our abilities. First, we're going to add some frosting into a bowl. Then we're going to add the 1 drop of red and 10 drops of yellow, and hopefully this will come out to your skin tone. Alright, so the moisturizer. So the moisturizer is nicely set in, so it is time to apply our foundation. Jeanette went ahead and matched her skin tone, and we have this beautiful orange color. And now we're going to be using the same poofy brush to apply foundation. I'm nervous for you. I mean, I'm not nervous, I'm excited. Alright, so I think you just put a little bit everywhere, all over your face, and then you just sort of brush it, I'm assuming. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and sort of smooth it all out. Ooh. How does it feel? It's not burning or anything, is
No.
it? Okay, good. Alright, Jeanette, tell the internet one thing about yourself that nobody else knows.
Oh man, this is like one of those questions like, how is your personality?
Because they're dying to know more about you.
I'm 27 years old.
Does she look 27 to you? Let us know in the comments below. You see, whatever you're doing to your skin, we need that advice on how to keep that youthful glow. Are you eating the foundation?
It tastes good though.
After foundation, we're going to apply a little bit of bronzer, which helps sort of chisel your cheeks, give you that nice, beautiful, what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, that. So today we're going to be using some cocoa powder, since it's nice and chiseling. And we're going to be using this little blue pointed brush. Let me start on this side. Oh, I got a little bit on your shirt, I'm sorry.
No, I know, it's okay.
How do you feel so far? Like a magazine model?
Yeah.
Alright, so after the bronzer, we're going to be applying some highlighter. So for highlighter, I decided to use some edible dust spray. Oh no, wait, this was the setting powder. What was the highlighter? Highlighter. Oh no! We skipped blush. You want to have beautiful pink rosy cheeks?
Sure!
Right? Okay, so for blush, we're going to be using some washable pink food coloring. This actually comes off really easily, so you don't have to worry. Actually, you have like a bunch of like foundation anyways, so yeah, you should be good.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to apply 1 little drop of blush on each cheek. Awesome. Okay guys, let us know in the comments below what you think of her so far. I think that she looks tasty, yes. And to finish off the look, we're going to be adding some setting spray, and then that'll help lock all of her makeup in so that she can wear this all day long, because we're actually going to the mall after this.
Yes,
so
we're gonna get our hair did, nails did, everything did.
Yes, so close your eyes for this one. And there we go. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So, let me go get a mirror so you can look at your full face of makeup.
Reveal time.
Are you ready to see yourself?
Mm-hmm. Decent. Oh, beautiful! Oh!
So what's your favorite part about your face? Like, what do you think that you'll start incorporating in your daily skincare or makeup routine?
Sugar scrub.
Sugar scrub?
Yeah. Looks like I have chest hair with this. Alrighty. Good. Face is still intact.
Does it feel nice and smooth, or is it too heavy?
This texture is grimy. Otherwise delicious.
Oh. What about the eyeliner? I tried making a wingtip for you.
Oh, it looks amazing before I ruined it. You know, before you burned my eye off.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I got a pizza face.
Hey, that's why it's so tasty looking.
Yes, there we go.
We should make a pizza makeup line.
Let's do it.
Yes. All right, before you leave, they want to know one thing about you. They want to know, would you rather eat a lipstick every day for the rest of your life,
Okay.
or wear this full face of makeup every day using only baking ingredients for the rest of your life?
I think I'd rather eat lipstick for the rest. Because I eat chapstick already, so I mean.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, when it goes to my lips, you know, it's tasty. I'm gonna eat it off. Just keep up with it.
The apple pie chapstick though?
Yes. Yes.
Anyways, thank you, Jeanette, for joining me on the video today. Thank you for being a wonderful model for me to practice my makeup skills on.
Thank you for having me on today. This was fun. If you're not subscribed yet, do so.
Yes.
This is a lovely man here. He's a little bit weird, but
just a little.
You'll have fun. I promise. Continue watching.
By the way, Jeanette is going to be launching her very own YouTube channel in just a few weeks or so.
Yes, give or take.
So make sure that you guys are subscribing to her channel as well. I will leave a link down below once it becomes available. What type of content are you hoping to have on your channel?
A little bit of comedy skits, tags, a daily vlog, just something completely different. Probably use you in a baking video, you know.
Yeah, just use me in a baking video.
Yeah, you know, clout. No, I'm just kidding.
We're looking forward to your content. Mainly me. I'm like fangirling here. I'm like, I need your autograph, you know. Anyways, thank you guys for joining. If you liked the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. If you are worried about Jeanette's eye, we will keep you updated in a few weeks. If you enjoyed watching her burn her eye, also give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be reminded of any other fun videos coming up, because 2020 is gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
The most satisfying part of any makeup video, wiping it all off.
Oh!
Is it not coming off?
No, it's on me forever.
Oh!
Yeah, this is not gonna work. I need to go to the sink.
Have a great happy holiday, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.